All right, so here is our full 5E lesson plan, and our content standard was K5 students will put events in temporal order using a calendar, placing days, weeks, and months in proper order. And our learning objective for this was K5 scholars will be able to put events in temporal order using a calendar, placing days, weeks, and months in proper order through by charting, plotting, or summarizing at least 2 times. And this was a part of the analyze section of Bloom's. So going through this, my favorite part is probably the elaboration portion, which if I scroll down to is right here. So it's that children will be given the daily journal, and then they the next day they will discuss what they had written or drawn from the previous night. This will repeat every day for 1 week. Children will be given a week-long journal beginning on Monday and finishing with Sunday. Students will be instructed to go home each night and with their parents or guardians fill out each entry with what they did that day, as what they did after school, what they had for dinner, etc. So basically, we have been talking about through circle time activities, through books, through songs, the different days of the week. And now they are going to take these labels and definitions and explanations that were provided through all of the other E's, and they're going to apply them into new situations that directly correlate to their own lives. I feel like correlating them to their own lives is going to help them to remember the concepts better and also get a better understanding of what they are. So this was my favorite part because I think that it hit this E on point, and it's also a fun way for the students to, like I said, bring it back into their own lives, which I feel kindergartners would love to do. What kindergartner doesn't want to come to class and tell their friends what they did that day or what they're going to do the next day? So this activity, it will allow students to do that. And then we are also going to do a week-long journal. So here, right here. So with the week-long journal, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, one that the students are going to do, we're also going to do a class journal. So this class journal is at the end of the week. Every Friday, we will be doing a weekly class journal, not so focused on days so much as it is weeks. As the class, students will pick their favorite activity or event that happened during that week and we'll turn it into a journal entry and then discuss it briefly during circle time on Monday of the next week. So I thought that this was fun too, because now they will have the individual aspect and they will also have like a community classroom aspect. And their individual journals will focus on the days of the week, whereas this week journal that we do as a class will help them to focus on the weeks, and at the end of the month we can even have a we can have a month reflection where they look through their class journal and talk about each important weekly event of the month, and this can help them summarize the events of the month and understand the concept of how many weeks make up that month. So now they have the days, the weeks that make up a month to a whole month. So this was my favorite aspect of our lesson plan.